Hello class 8, welcome to science class. Today we get the knowledge about coal and petroleum. So we are going to start chapter 5. In this chapter, first of all, we talk about the natural resources and its utilization. Natural resources. Do you know about the natural resources? Our earth is the only planet in the universe known to support life. All the materials required by living things such as air, water, soil and minerals are present on the earth. These are the major resources of the earth. These are called natural resources. Now we talk about the utilization of these resources. Plants use carbon dioxide from the air, water and minerals from the soil to make food in the presence of sunlight. You already know that process is known as photosynthesis. Animals need oxygen, water and food to survive. We get oxygen from the air, water from water bodies such as ponds, lakes and rivers, and food from plants or other animals. We have some example of natural resources. We use rocks and soil to construct houses, roads, dams, etc. We use metals such as iron, aluminium, copper for constructing building and bridge, making machine, vehicles, aeroplane, utensils and other household things. Just like we use fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gases for cooking, running vehicles, running machine in factories or producing electricity. Now, natural material found on the earth that allow to existence of life and safely satisfy the needs of living organisms are called natural resources. Plants and animals are living natural resources. Air, water, soil and minerals are non-living natural resources. We get these natural resources from the solid part of the earth crust, the water bodies such as seas, river and the lakes on the earth, the gases air surrounding the earth known as atmosphere. Now we talk about the renewable and non-renewable resources. Our natural resources are divided into two parts. First of all, we talk about the renewable resources. Renewable resources are those that will either never run out or those that are replaced within a reasonable period of time through natural process. For example, sunlight is the resource which will never run out. And now we talk about non-renewable resources are those which once used up cannot be replaced within a reasonable period of time. For example, fuel like petroleum, natural gases and coals. Some non-renewable resources such as metal can be used again and again. These non-renewable resources can be recycled. Conservation of resources. How to conserve these resources? Conservation is the wise and careful use of resources. It means not wasting the resources and also maintaining their quality. If we do not practice conservation, we all endangered our very survival. So we have to conserve all the natural resources all. Now we will talk about the fuel. Do you know about fuel? How we can use it and how it's produced? A fuel is substance that can be used to produce heat at a reasonable cost. All common fuels contain carbon either as a free element or in the combined state. Second type of fuel is fossil fuel. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Coal was formed during a period of over a million of years from dead plants that got buried inside the earth. Petroleum and natural gas were formed from the dead sea animals. The process again taking over millions of the years. Do you not understand about the fossil fuel? Now we talk about the coal. What is coal? Do you know? The high temperature and high pressure inside the earth slowly converted the buried vegetation into coal is called carbonization. There are few type of coal: anthracite, bituminous coal, and lignite. And we will talk about the coke, coal gas, coal tar. Do you know about these terms? Now we talk about how petroleum origin. Petroleum is believed to have formed over a period of million years from the organism that lived in the sea. That time when these organisms died, their bodies settled on the seabed and got covered and sand and clay over million of years. Now we talk about the occurrence of the petroleum. Petroleum and natural gas are often found together as a large deposit deep inside the earth crust. When we find out the petroleum, how to refining the petroleum, we talk about how to refining the petroleum. There is a process, fractional distillation. Do you know about the fractional distillation? The various hydrocarbons present in the petroleum have different boiling point. As the number of carbon atom in hydrocarbon increases, its boiling point also increases. This property is used to separate the different component of petroleum by fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is also known as refining. This process takes place in the fractionalizing tower. You can see the diagram of the fractionalizing tower. Now we will talk about the natural gases, energy, and some other thing. Natural gases is found along the petroleum in the reservoir used the ground. Now we go through the exercises. Your first exercise is choose the appropriate answer. Renewable resources need to conserve because there are 3 points it should be considered. So your answer is D, all of them. Just like you will complete all the question answer, all the correct answer in your copies. See very carefully and write down very neatly other part of the question. Complete it. Which of these obtained by the destructive distillation of coal? We find out coal gas. Now we go through the B part, very short answers question. That means one word answer. You have the question number 1. Are natural resources living, non-living, or both? Tell me. All natural resources are both living and non-living things. Now you describe it. What are they? Now you have the question number 2. Write down very carefully. Yes, question number 3 is there. And the answer is here. The process of conservation of wood into coal is called carbonization. Okay, question number 4. Dash is the variety of coal with maximum carbon contains anthracite. You will write down all the question answer very neatly in your copy. See here. Question number 7. LPG. Okay, name two fuel obtained from petroleum coal. We have the first LPG and second is kerosene. You will write down the detail of LPG and kerosene. Question number 8. 9. Name the non-polluting fuel of vehicles and its answer. Question number, this is the answer of question number 10. Now we go through the question number 11, 12 and its answer. Okay. Now question number 13 and at last we will done the question number 14. The fuel obtained from coal that is almost pure from form of carbon is coal. You will write down the answer coal. Okay. You have completed this and now we go through the short answer. This is C part. We have the differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources, given two examples of each. First of all, you write down the question and your answer in differentiate. First of all, I show you the renewable resources. Then after I tell you about the non-renewable resources. You will write down very neatly in a answer form, differentiated. Like, don't write separately, write together. Now, question number 2. What are fossil fuel? I explain you in this chapter. You will write down very clearly. Now we have the question number 3. Question number 4. How is coke obtained? Coke is hard porous black substance which is obtained by the destructive distillation of coke. We find out that from the coke. Now question number 5. Why are advantages of natural gases and the fuel? In points you will write down the answer. Question number 6. Why is there a rapid increase in our energy consumption? जब हम एनर्जी यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसका कंजम्पशन है, उसके 3 रैपिड जो कंजम्पशन के हैं उनको आपको यहाँ पर आंसर देना है. Now we will go through the question number 7. Question number 7. Why are fossil fuel our most important source of energy today? Okay, write down. Now question number 8. What is the main purpose of petroleum refining? Let's we go through the question number part. We will complete short answers and long answers. Now we will complete our, first of all you complete this work, and finally we understand about the coal and petroleum. Let's complete your work in your copies and take care yourself. Bye.